In the previous video, I just simply told you that there is a property. If two lines are parallel, then their product of the slope are -1, or reverse. If their product of the slope is equal to -1, which means that two lines should be parallel. And the reason I'm going to prove here, it seems like some geometric calculation, is we have two lines L3 and L4 which are perpendicular, which means that the angle between these two lines is 90 degrees. And then in coordinate geometry, why it is so convenient, why our calculation including calculus based on rectangular coordinates, is because we just focus on horizontal line and also vertical line. If I try to add this line and then I also consider this angle is equal to theta, I just consider from first point to second point, we have a right angle triangle. If we draw a vertical line like this, and then this triangle, we focus on this triangle. I'm now going to let the vertical distance by delta y, and this is positive because it's go up from the first point to the second. And then we also let the x difference be positive delta x. It's because you go right hand side. And then if we analyze from this point to another point in slope 4, we have a vertical line and a horizontal line also. If I set the length, the distance of these two triangles are congruent, which means that this delta x, this line will be delta x also. But because this is going downward from the first point to the second, so this one, the vertical change is negative delta x, and the horizontal change is the same as this line, so this is positive delta y. And then if we consider slope 3, slope 3 is defined as the vertical difference compared with the horizontal difference, so we have delta y to delta x, which both are positive in this case. And then if we consider the slope of line 4, M4, its vertical change is go down by delta x, so it is negative delta x as the vertical changes, and its horizontal change is delta y. And then you'll find that we swap the position upside down, and also we have negative here. That's why to conclude one of the property is we consider M3 times M4, because we predicted that if we multiply them together, some of them their parts will be simplified, and then give us a simplified result, and it's just simply equal to -1. That's the basic reason why if they are perpendicular, then their slope product is equal to -1. And one thing to clarify is just now I just simply say these two triangles are congruent, but why they are congruent is depends on whether these angles are the same. This part is 90 degrees minus theta, and also horizontal is perpendicular to vertical. That's why if we consider another part, this is 90 degrees minus theta bracket, we get theta again. That's why I proved that these two triangles are congruent.